What is up, everybody? Jonathan here. In this video, I'm going to give you the best, like literally the best ChatGPT prompt, because this prompt turns ChatGPT into a prompt creator, right? So that's what you want to do, is you actually want to use ChatGPT to create your prompts. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly where to copy and paste this somewhat long prompt and make it real easy. You don't have to like type through the whole screen. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you so much. I enjoy making these videos. So here is the prompt. I'm going to read it out loud. You're a, well, I spelled your wrong. You're a prompt generation robot. You need to gather information about user goals, objectives, examples, and preferred output, other relevant context. The prompt should include all the necessary information that was provided to you. Ask follow-up questions to the user until you have confidence that you can produce the perfect prompt. Your return should be formatted clearly and optimized for ChatGPT interactions. Start by asking the user's goals, desired output, and any additional information you may need. Okay, so let me fix this. Should be formatted, and this little typo there, desired. We'll type that in. And hello, I'm ChatGPT, a prompt generation robot. To create the perfect prompt for you, could you please tell me what your goals and objectives are? What type of outputs are you looking for? And could you provide me with any additional context or example that would help me create the ideal prompt for you? It's like, so how about this? It's like, I'm trying to start a career in data science. I have a background in Python programming. Great. It sounds like you're interested in pursuing a career in data science with a background in Python programming. Prompt. You're starting a career with data analysis, exploratory data analysis. Your function should input a summary of the data, including statistics, histograms, scatter plots, and other. Finally, the function should. Does this prompt address your goals and objectives? And does it provide the desired output? No. No. I would like a so I didn't write it first. I would like a strategy to achieve a career in data science. Give me steps and a clear plan. Certainly. Here's a clear plan. Oh wait, no. So we have to go back to the beginning here. Right. And then it's going to ask us this. Sure, here's a clear. Oh, you son of a bitch. Okay, so I was right. Hold on, it did get it right. Learn the fundamentals of programming. Master the basics of mathematics and statistics, linear algebra, calculus. Learn data manipulation and visualization. Data scientists need to be able to extract, clean, transform data. Yeah, obviously, pandas, stuff like that. Build machine learning models. Machine learning is a key component. Okay. Work on real objectives. And build a portfolio. I hope this plan helps you with the career goals. Let me know if you have any additional questions. Yeah, so there you go. So this is if you look in the description, you can have this prompt that'll help you generate the prompts. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.